First of all, welcome to SEARCA. For those who are first time here, we warmly welcome everyone, and of course to Chancellor Camacho, Dinak Bisit, and the rest are from the faculty. I think it's already, we have a very good, strong collaboration in many, many programs. Ladies and gentlemen, the first time I'm here, I'm so excited because I'm also an entomologist. Only that from other groups, I'm not tourist. I work on parasitoids, and my expertise is also in taxonomy. So when I look through, it seems that being a taxonomist and also systematist, it's not a dying, it's not a dying field. You can see it's very, very excited to see all of you, although we are sisters and brothers in different group of families or orders. So ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and participants, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pleasure and pride that I extend a warm welcome to each one and every one of you to this exceptional back-to-back international congress and also workshop, and to SEARCA. We are deeply honored to serve as a venue of this distinguished gathering with participants coming from around the world. I think that, as we mentioned by Chancellor Camacho on the theme of this conference, it actually resonates deeply with SEARCA's mission to promote regional cooperation in agricultural research and development. I think the theme underscores our collective endeavor to transcend geographic boundaries and foster unity among scientists, academics, and experts in exploring the intricate world of these fascinating insects. Auchenorrhyncha, I think, and I think the first time when we received the letter, request from UPLB, I think myself said, how to pronounce that word? It's like a tongue twister. Okay, not for entomologists. Yeah, so I think Auchenorrhyncha Without Borders emphasize the importance of collaboration and knowledge exchange in advancing our understanding of these insects. And I think that we all know that how many of species from this group really plays an important role as an economic importance in agriculture. I think one of the studies also in Malaysia, from Malaysia, one of the biggest notorious problems in the rice field is of course the brown planthopper. In Leafhoppers lugans, we have problems also with Nephothetics virescens, Sogatella fusera. So these are all the groups of insects, and not to mention also, I think being here, I don't know why, I stay inside of UPLB, one of the executive halls here. It seems that the insects know that I'm an entomologist. At least I found 2 or 3 species of cicadas coming here. The Dundubia, maybe Pomponia. Muda, not yet. I've seen Dundubia, Pomponia coming to my house saying that, hey, I'm here, catch me. Yeah, so I guess the diversity, you're very, very welcome, because I think being on the, we are actually in Mount Killing, right? And food of the Mount Killing, there are so many diversity of insects and that you can find here. And I guess that as a taxonomist, I think most of you, some of you are from taxonomy field. It's really, really exciting to be in one of these diverse country and archipelagic country that serves very diverse of insect species. So I guess that take this time, do the cooperation, and it's already been at the 13th and also the 17th workshop, something like that, yeah? So it means that you have done a very good job in continuing and also to nurture new generation of taxonomists, new generation of entomologists. That is the most important. Being small, but at the same time plays a very big role in the ecosystems, in agriculture. So I guess that there's no organisms that created by God is not meaningful. They play a role, even if it is as bad or nuisance, but it gives us the time to think and also to do research so that us humans can be more progressive in the future. So at SEARCA, we recognize a critical role of research and innovation in addressing the challenges facing in agriculture and rural development. So by supporting this event, And also we reaffirm our commitment to promoting scientific excellence, fostering collaboration, and nurturing the next generation of agricultural leaders. So I extend my sincere gratitude to the organizing committee, Dr. Cheryl Yap, sponsors, and also participants for their dedication and contribution to making this event a reality. As you engage in lively discussions, share your research findings, and network with colleagues, I encourage you to seize this opportunity to forge new partnerships here in the Philippines, also from the rest of the world. May your interaction lead to valuable insights that will contribute to the advancement of Auchenorrhyncha research in sustainable agriculture. With that, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Welcome once again to SEARCA and to Philippines. Thank you.